This is problem 2 on the review sheet for exam 1. This is an example of a linear equation in one variable. It's an equation. It's linear because the exponent on each of the variables is just 1. And there's only one variable in the equation, x. We have our technique. We have our steps we follow. First, look to see if there are any fractions. Fortunately, there aren't in this problem. Then the next key word is parentheses. If there are parentheses, we will remove them by use of the distributive property. Here's the place to be especially careful. Distributing this multiplication, that minus sign in front of this set of parentheses is going to change their signs to the opposite. So that's how it became minus 2x minus the minus is plus 2. So no fractions. We've removed the parentheses. Next key word was expressions. We're going to look at the expressions and see if we have any like terms we can combine. There are no like terms in this expression, but there are like terms that I can combine in this expression. (5x minus 2x leaves us 3x, plus 15 plus 2 more, that's equivalent to plus 17. Next key word or phrase was only one variable term. I have the variable in two terms. I only want the variable in one term when I'm solving a linear equation in one variable. I'm going to make that variable term disappear by subtracting 3x from both sides. I subtracted it here to make that disappear into 0, which simply left me the constant 17 on the right-hand expression. I had to subtract 3x from both sides, remember, to keep my equation balanced. 7x minus 3x leaves us 4x. Next key word in our steps to solving a linear equation in one variable was isolate. I want to isolate the variable term. Getting rid of the 5 will isolate the variable term. Again, I had to subtract 5 here to make that disappear into 0. I had to subtract 5 here to keep my equation balanced. And last keyword, coefficient. We want a coefficient of positive 1. That we always get by dividing the variable term by its current coefficient. Current coefficient here is 4. Dividing 4x by 4, the 4's cancel to 1, leaving me 1x equals 3. So our solution is 3. And again, remember what a solution to an equation of any type means. If we substitute 3 in place of x, the value of this expression will be equal to the value of that expression when we evaluate it following our order of operations. This again was problem 2 from your review sheet for exam 1.